Hi, this is Richard Hart from psicompany.com, and we're talking about the Furuno Felcom 250 Inmarsat Fleet Broadband Terminal. This is a very popular high-speed unit, communications unit, which allows you to both simultaneously communicate with voice as well as high-speed data applications. The Furuno Felcom 250 features the ability to use voice over IP communications, high-speed internet, high-speed file transfer, and high-speed video data transfer. Now, how fast? Up to 1.5 times faster than Fleet 77 Inmarsat services, and that's pretty fast. Let's talk a little bit about the Furuno Felcom 250 Fleet Broadband unit. The Furuno Felcom 250 Fleet Broadband Terminal was developed for vessel owners that desire communication ability paralleling what is available shoreside. If you need worldwide voice access for telephone, or you require the ability to leverage the internet in a broadband capacity, we have what you need for your vessel. Furuno Fleet Broadband brings ship-to-shore operational and social communications to the broadband IP era. Furuno's Inmarsat Fleet Broadband Felcom 250 delivers faster, more cost-effective solutions to maritime broadband data and voice communications on a global basis. Once installed, Fleet Broadband will turn a ship into a broadband floating office where constant, simultaneous access to voice and multiple high-speed data services are available, transforming access to data at sea. Increasing levels of both operational and social communications can be conducted all at the same time through this new service. Navigators can obtain weather and chart updates online in order to optimize their route planning and monitoring tasks, while all on board can enjoy the benefit of the internet, email, and voice over IP calls to the head offices or their friends and family back home, all via a single terminal. Fleet Broadband represents a quantum leap in terms of marine communication speeds. With its data capability of up to 284 kilobits per second, the Furuno Felcom 250 will alter the way mariners and vessels communicate, just as onshore broadband data communications paved the way for the broadband IP internet era. In order to further enhance the quality of the services, by optimizing the coverage area of the expanded constellation of 3 Inmarsat 4 satellites, Inmarsat has repositioned these satellites to new orbit locations to create 3 new satellite geographic regions, which will assure you have the coverage you need worldwide. This will allow vessel owners the flexibility to design personalized onboard digital networks that reflect the capabilities they require. An owner can include G3 facsimile or faxes, analog telephones, voice over IP phones, wireless voice over IP phones, wireless internet access points, computers and laptops, streaming video, and alarm and telemetry reporting equipment into their vessel configuration. A Furuno Felcom system integrated website allows easy configuration and setup from any PC with Internet Explorer installed, and system changes and upgrades can easily be accomplished as well. When dual Felcom Fleet Broadband terminals are installed on board through a network gateway, network redundancy can be facilitated in order to deliver constant network availability. As a result, the network remains active even if one of the Fleet Broadband terminals fails or the line of sight to the satellite is obstructed, so that reception of signal from the satellite is hampered. Automatic switchover from one terminal to another is achieved without experiencing any network failure. This can also be used to integrate maritime VSAT satellite service, where guaranteed data throughput can be increased from 1 to 4 megabytes per second. If you have a digital communication application for your vessel and you need connectivity, we can show you how to make the Furuno Felcom 250 Fleet Broadband Terminal work for you. So as you can see, the Furuno Felcom 250 is feature-laden and a terrific communications device. We have a lot of customers looking at this particular product because the antenna size is small and easy to install. If you have questions about the Furuno Felcom 250, or if you'd like to discuss communication requirements on board your vessel, please give us a call at psicompany.com. Our telephone number is below.